Hello, am I audible? Our third case is ready. Dr. Shyam Babu sir is going to do cystoscopy. This is a 30-year-old male gentleman. He has complained of suprapubic pain abdomen along with LUTs, mainly dysuria and sense of incomplete emptying of urine. His all lab parameters are normal. While uroflowmetry patient is never able to pass urine on uroflowmetry machine, but he says he can pass some amount outside. So there was never a representative uroflowmetry with us. Ultrasound shows normal age, prostate size normal for the age. Bladder is well thickened walled with a large diverticulum, almost 9 centimeter size. Now the Dr. Shyam Babu sir will elaborate about his cystoscopy methods and what to do next. Over to Dr. Shyam Babu sir.
Good afternoon, sir. I am audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Sir Mahendra Singh, sir, Ranveer, sir, Vijay, sir, and Asutosh, sir, and our colleagues of Motihari, and senior surgeons and other delegates of the Motihari. This session is dedicated for surgeons and which are interested in urology and urologists who is starting his practice or students, PG students. I am going to demonstrate in this case the how to do the cystoscopy and what is the cystoscopic finding. So first of all, I am coming to the instrument. Are you seeing, sir?
Yeah, we are saying.
We are going to use 22 French sheath for the cystoscopy with the bridge which is single barreled and the 30-degree telescope. We all are aware of this instrument, and these instruments are our hands and foot. So we are assembling, we are putting this bridge inside the telescope, and after that we are assembling the sheath to the telescope. Now I am going to proceed for the cystoscopy.
Dr. Shyam, what is the indication for cystoscope?
Sir, the patient having the, as per the history that has been narrated by Dr. Amitabh, the patient having suprapubic pain, has incomplete voiding, and is not able to pass even the repeated uroflowmetry that has been tried. So ultrasound having also the big diverticulum, so definitely we have to look inside the bladder, sir, what is there. Or more or less the patients having the normal prostate size. So whether this diverticulum is congenital one or the acquired, any other sign and symptoms of obstruction, what is the condition of urethra, bladder neck, we have to know, sir. So the indication for the cystoscopy is very clear. Now I am going to proceed, sir.
There is a question.
Sir,
Have you done a focused urological examination? Because the bladder outflow obstruction
sir.
may need some urogenic fluid. Have you done focused examination? Is it recommended in such cases?
Sir, I think, sir, PR has been done. That is, the prostate is flat almost. So, other examination like the examination of a spine, we don't know. And yes, sir.
The question is,
Sir,
focus, is there any place for focused urological examination in this case or before that you go to cystoscopy?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Of course.
Everything should be documented.
Of course, sir. There is the point of the focused neurological examination in this case, because having the diverticulum, we don't know the what is.
The question is,
Sir,
actually the audience wants to know
sir.
whether it has been recorded like anal tone, perianal sensation, PC reflex, superficial reflex, examination of the back. Has it been recorded? Because nowadays everything
Sir, point is well taken, sir. There should be the focused neurological examination in that. Of course, it is missing in the record, but of course, it is very important to do all the proper recording, sir.
Upper tract imaging, people wants to know, is there any change in the upper tract?
No, sir, IVU has not been done, but the ultrasound, the kidney is normal, sir. Kidney is normal, there is no hydrouretronephrosis. Okay. Pani. Now just show that this meatus. See, the meatus looks normal. So we are going to see each and every points. The patients having phimosis, there is no phimosis. External urethral meatus is adequate, and let's show this. Now see, the urethra looks like almost normal. This is the sphincter. Sir, Veru is normal. Now coming to the prostatic urethra, this is adequate, and prostate is, it is wide open, sir. There is no prostatic enlargement. Of course, the sir. Sir. So, sir, Mahendra Singh, sir, the point has been again well taken. We go to the retrospectively. We should have the focused neurological examination in that case, because we are dealing with the case of diverticulum having bladder neck is well opened, and there is no prostatic enlargement. So this is the Veru, and the prostate is there. Stone is almost looks normal. There is no gripping. The scope is going very easily. There is lot of flex inside. See, and this is the diverticulum, how this opened, wide open. And I would like to see the ureteric orifice, left ureteric orifice, whether it is near the diverticulum or the inside the diverticulum. This is going to Hutch diverticulum, that is going to change the entire management of this case. So we are looking for the ureteric orifice.
What is your opinion? Is it congenital or acquired?
This looks congenital, sir.
Yes.
This is the right yes, sir.
All diverticulum is congenital.
Yes, sir. And solitary wide mouth diverticulum, right ureteric orifice is normal, and there is no almost mild trabeculation is there. Just I want to empty the bladder, sir.
Hardly any obstructive changes
Sir,
in the bladder.
sir,
Obstructive changes are not there. Bladder neck is open. There is no obstruction.
sir.
It is not significant trabeculation. Actually, it is absolutely normal.
I am emptying the bladder so that we can look again and see what is the finding. Pani.
Because of the residual urine in the diverticulum,
Yes, sir. Yes,
you will find turbid urine in the diverticulum.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because it is not draining properly.
Yes, sir.
So the turbidity comes from the diverticulum. See, that is why we insisted on focused neurological examination.
Sir.
And little more about the history, like his bowel habit.
Sir.
Bowel habit was normal.
Bowel habit is normal.
See,
Sir.
it is for everybody. This is very, very important to inquire about these things, because neurogenic connection, lower tract and bowel, very common.
I would look.
They are constipated.
I want to look, sir.
Yes,
I want to look inside the diverticulum because I am expecting the ureteric orifice inside. So the left ureteric orifice has not been seen yet It is nearby somewhere here.
Classical Hutch diverticulum,
Sir,
right? Paraventricular diverticulum.
sir. Bladder is getting filled inside.
Patient might have voiding dysfunction since long, but it was not significant obstruction. In between, he was taking
ये लाइट बंद कर दो, ये लाइट बंद करो, ये वाला लाइट.
complete evaluation.
Bladder is getting filled up because the diverticulum is capacious, and so it is the Hutch type of diverticulum, sir, and having the ureteric orifice that is inside the diverticulum. So we are not getting the ureteric orifice, left ureteric orifice. It is somewhere.
Why you are so fidgety about left ureteric orifice if there is no change in the upper tract? Let it be there.
Yes, sir. Because there is no. Sometimes there will be the plan to.
See, what is the future plan? The diagnosis is now congenital Hutch diverticulum.
In this case, sir, there is no obstructive cause, so the BNI is not going to help anymore, sir, to the patient. So, the one of the option is to excise the diverticulum along with do the ureteric reimplantation, so that. After that, we have to do the urodynamic evaluation and ensure that the patient's voiding is proper. Otherwise, even the diverticulectomy even will not work, and sometimes it worsens the situation. So,
Dr. Syamaru,
sir,
what are the problems with the diverticulectomy?
Pro-
Diverticulectomy,
problem
age of the patient,
age is 30 years, sir.
30 years.
Sir,
So, what is the problem of treating diverticulum and not treating diverticulum?
sir, actually this diverticulum is compensated. So compensatory is as the compensatory mechanism to deal the whatever the cause of the voiding dysfunction, either neurovascular dysfunction or whatever the cause. So I feel so if you ask from me, so I think this diverticulum colectomy is not going to help anymore, sir. So is
This
yes, sir.
diverticulectomy will aggravate his voiding
Yes, sir.
problem.
Yes, sir.
What
So,
was not manifested earlier because
sir.
of the pop-up effect of the diverticulum,
Sir,
it will start manifesting, number one.
sir.
And excising the diverticulum may create urogenic
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it is the result of the pop-off phenomenon, and this is the preventive and protective to the upper tract. So it's in that case, in my opinion, sir, I think the audience also agree with that. In that case, the diverticulectomy is not going to help. But
That is what I am telling.
Sir.
Asking, not treating diverticulum, what are the problems?
sir, what are the other options of the treatment? So I feel so in this case, there will be again go for the focused neurological examination, urodynamic examination, and will put the patients finally on the CIC. So empty the bladder at the frequent interval. That is the only option I feel so, sir.
You can just cut at the neck of the opening of the diverticulum to
Sir.
second it,
Sir,
and you put the patient on CIC,
sir,
and third, check if there is any doubt, you can do total biopsy to
Sir.
get the biopsy from there. Otherwise,
sir, sir,
urodynamic will be fallacious also because something will go into the diverticulum,
sir,
total volume and volume will be large.
sir,
Volume will be less because they will go and collect in the diverticulum. So
sir,
we create a loss that whether what is the capacity of the bladder,
sir,
capacity,
sir.
what is the total capacity which we are getting on the CM. But anyway, you will satisfy that bladder is
is okay, sir. The point is well taken, but sir, but only thing is I want to point out that is this is the sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir,
Demonstrated very nice.
thank you, sir.
We have seen that first diverticulum.
Thank you, sir.
Speak about the first diverticulum discussion.
Sir,
Now we are switching. Now we are going to have a short talk on RIRS by Dr. So we are just switching off. Your visual will be coming.
sir.
We are stopping the audio.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.